We have all of our information on the thumb drive right here. We're just going to put it in the side and let it register. It's going to kick up thumb drive. Go ahead and hit open. Jag Stadium is our project. It could have multiple levels, so we want to open that folder. There's Plaza level. This is the stuff we have to copy. It's our new project, so I'm going to hold down. I'm going to hold down on it and hit copy. I'm going to go down here to Documents, Transfer for Microsurvey, Jag Stadium, and this is where I want to paste it for level 1, so I'm going to hold down and hit paste. Now that it's pasted in here, I can open this up and go right to my default folder and hold down and hit copy. Go to Documents, Microsurvey, Layout, Projects, and I'm going to see my default folder right here. I want to hold down and hit paste. That is updating my information, so I want to hit copy replace. Now it's updated in the software with my new point, so I can close this out. Once I've closed that out, remove the thumb drive. Open up Microsurvey, Project. This is going to be a new floor, so I'm going to call it a new one. So I'm going to go New, and I'm going to tap in here, and we are going to call this Training for now, and hit OK. The defaults for units are preset for you, so now you can just hit OK. Now we have our project created. We need to transfer our information into it, so we go to Project, we go to Transfer. We need to get our points first, which is an ASCII file or a TXT file. Browse for File, go right to our Documents, to our Transfer for Microsurvey, Jag Stadium, Plaza level, and we're going to go get our Sokkia points. Open, and then File Format, Standard with header, and import. 32 points imported, that's perfect. Oop. Now it shows all my points. There's all my points that I need to lay out. Accidentally hit that too quick. You want to be in your main menu. Project, Transfer, and we're going to go get our grid points now because it's a CSV form file as well. So Documents, Transfer, Stadium, Plaza. Down here at the bottom it says .csv file format. That's the one we want as well, and standard with header. 214. Now we need to go in and get our background drawing, which is our DXF file. So I go Project, Transfer, DXF, Documents, Transfer from the project, the Plaza, and there's only one file in there called that, so we're going to open that. Now when I hit Plan, all my information is in there. I'm seeing my control points are big red triangles right here. Grid intersections are green. And then the points I need to lay out are these little circles. So if I hit Layers up here, I can hit the little plus symbol for database and turn off whatever I want so that only control points are on the screen now. This is Zoom Extents. This is Zoom In, Zoom Out. This is Zoom Box, where you draw a box. This is Move. It stays at the same elevation and moves. And this is Zoom Previous, so it takes you into the previous view. You can hit that anytime, as many times as you want. This one here allows point numbers to be turned on and off. So if you're not seeing your point numbers, you might want to tap that and it'll bring your point numbers on. This one is 3D, so you can rotate it in 3-dimensional. To get out of 3-dimensional, you only hit Zoom Extents. This is the on-off switch. This one allows you to turn IDs on and off. Because we're using symbols, a lot of the times we may not even need to show a point number at all, because I know that all these boxes are my control points and I know physically where those are in the field, so I can turn that off. So when I zoom in, I don't have a bunch of point numbers on the screen, I just have symbols. So for now, I'm going to turn those back on and OK. Close. Now, if I have to create a point, we're going to go into Calculate really quick. As a whole, you are going to use Project, Connect, and Layout mode 99% of the time. Occasionally, when they give you a new control point, you're going to have to hit Calculate, down and out. And in this case, we have, first thing, we want to select the points. And we select our start point, which is going to be this one in particular, going to this one, okay? And I need to set a control point that's 3 feet up by 3 feet over and put it right here. So I'm going to say okay. Down line is going to be 3 foot. Offline is going to be 3 foot. And then I'm going to zoom in and make sure I went the right direction. I did. It's in the right point. I moved it up 3 feet by over by 3 feet. I hit save. I call this my control point, or my name, which is for this project, it's going to be ME for Miller Electric. And the point number 1 afterwards to know that it's that. And we're going to hit OK. And description is going to be CP and store point. Now you're going to see it stored a control point in there. That should have all of us able to calc our points as well. Now the only thing we need to do is our actual setup.